Welcome to Steampunk Creations. In this tutorial we'll be making these resin filled light up lanterns. Here is a list of all the things you'll need to do this tutorial. So we're going to start off by shortening the funnel, leave about 10mm sticking up, and then we're going to go to the bottle and completely remove the threaded top piece of the bottle. Need to mix some epoxy resin up. Here I put some green food colour into mine and fill your bottle up to the top. Next you can go and glue your two eyelets onto the two pieces of 10mm pipe. Next go ahead and glue your two pieces of 10mm pipe onto the funnels with the eyelet facing down. Next, take your LED light and feed it into one of the funnels and hold in place with a few blobs of 2-part epoxy adhesive. Once your resin is cured inside the bottle, you can go ahead and put a strip of EVA foam around the top and bottom of the bottle. This is just to give the funnel a nice tight fit. Once you've put the EVA foam to the top and bottom of the bottle, you can go ahead and get your funnel, put inside the funnel some 2-part epoxy adhesive and then push into place on the bottle and then leave this to cure. Once the glue is cured, the last thing to do is to fit the two 10mm elbows. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please leave me feedback, please subscribe. Thank you very much.